There are 3 key things that a client or patient must believe before they hand their credit card over to you to commit to working with you one-on-one or a program or a product that you're selling. Hi, I'm Melanie of Functional Media, and today I'm going to be talking about the 3 key things that someone must believe in order for them to invest in your product or service. And if they don't believe all 3 of these things, they are not going to hand over their credit card to you. So you must be aware of this and use these, use this to your advantage in your messaging that you use on social media, trying to help people overcome these beliefs, or using this tip with sales conversations that you have with people. So the first belief that they must believe is that you are the person that they believe can help them overcome whatever problem that they're wanting to solve. If they don't believe that you're the person to do that, they're not going to invest in you. Makes sense, right? The second belief is that they must believe that your process or the product is going to help them get that result that they want. If they might trust you and they might believe in you and be like, yes, I really trust this person. I really believe in this person to help me, but I'm just not quite sure about that process. It sounds too complicated, or that diet or meal plan, it doesn't really sound like that's gonna help me. So you have to help them overcome that. You have to help them explain why that your process or that product is the process or product to help them reach what they want. The third and last belief, and the most important belief that they must believe in order for them to invest in you, is they have to have the belief in themselves that they can get the result. Now I'm going to say that again. They must believe that they are going to commit and be able to follow through with that process, right? They might believe you. They might know that process or that product works for so many others, and they believe in that process and product. But if they don't believe in themselves to make that change, they're not going to invest, right? And so you have to, the thing is, and it's important to remember that oftentimes these clients or patients, you're not the first person or process that they're trying, right? Oftentimes they've tried, tens of, if not 100 different things, and they still haven't received the results, right? And they akin it to, oh, I don't have the willpower, or I don't have the self-control, or I just can't make myself do that, or I've tried something like that before, but it just doesn't work for me. They think that they're, special, they're a special case, right? And so you have to help them overcome that belief that they can, in fact, get those results if you help them step by step. And so, again, the key 3 things that you must keep in mind when you're doing your messaging on social media about what the client must believe in order to invest with you is that they believe in you, that they believe in the process or the product, and that the client believes in themselves that they can make that change. All right, if you have any other questions about what types of posts that you should be doing, I'll be releasing a video here within the next few weeks that addresses that. So stay tuned, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, or join my Facebook group to keep up with the latest videos.